Hey guys, here's another unboxing video for you. It's the USB power adapter for the Apple iPod. To tell you the truth, I didn't even realize I had this. It was actually in a bag somewhere. I didn't even know about it until right now. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm going to unbox it now. Take off the Apple logo sticker thingy. This thing. I'm just gonna lift. And there it is. Alright. Just pull it out. Take it out of this cellar from this plastic coating. Okay, there it is. Right. And there's more stuff in here. Open it up, and there is actually a connector, a USB dock connector. So it's a spare one, so I'll keep it. And of course, like everything else from Apple power safety manuals, documentation, all the how to use it, how to charge, and what voltage is acceptable. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing. See you guys later. Bye.